They say 100% satisfaction is the goal, but in the real world, it's a commitment. When you get that call about a job from a year ago, you don't ignore it, you show up. An HOA reached out about some masonry issues. Grout and mortar were spilled on the concrete during a repair, and the finish wasn't adding up to the Vegas Weld-It standard. No excuses, just a solution. Time to get to work. We brought out the power washer, some right fasteners to clean up the mess and fix these non-flush washers. It's about more than just the metal. It's about leaving the property better than we found it. Clean lines, secure fencing, and a happy client. That's how we do business in Vegas. If it's not right, we make it right. Period.
샤르스 더스 카스디 카링 우간이 하라가 샤르니 애들아 스주연 이름이 저리 샤레 왜서 레오그니 파코리 파나우드 지르니 탱하니 세련스 페니 왕지 죄는 승원의 샹양근이 다우지 양아스 다라니 잘보지 이대 이대만의 쇼근요 따구지 어제